In this video, we will discuss about application shift. Application shift is a session shifting from one application to another application. Means during a session, one application move to another application is change from one application to another. So whenever an application shift happen, so Palo Alto Firewall will perform a new security policy lookup to find out the match against the new application which is shipped from the old application. To understand, let me give an example. Suppose if I have internal PC1 and the browser they try to access facebook.com. So when they access facebook.com, I give an example here. So initially they type facebook.com. However, they try to do Facebook chat. It means I access facebook.com but I go to Facebook chat. During this session, things will change. Application will shift. So initially there will be TCP three-way handshake. I capture the packet is here. So this is my system 10.0.1.10, which is this one. Okay. And there is a three-way handshake. Send acknowledgement and acknowledgement. Okay. Which I mentioned here. Send acknowledgement and acknowledgement. There will be three-way handshake. This is the first step. After that, what will happen? This TCP will shift to web browsing. Okay, so if I go to my firewall and go to traffic, so what happened? It shift to web browsing. So it will shift from TCP to web browsing. After the web browsing, it will shift to SSL. I access a Facebook, then I go to Facebook chat. So during these things, many things are changed. Many applications are changed. Initially, there was a TCP three-way handshake. Then is shipped to web browsing. After web browsing is shipped to SSL. So this shipped to SSL. And this is my user 10.0.1.10. After SSL, it will ship to Facebook base because Facebook base is required. So it's shipped to Facebook base. After that, it will ship to the Facebook application. In this case, I'm using Facebook chat. And now finally you can see there is a Facebook chat. You will find them here. So it's a Facebook chat now. So this is called application shift and how it is work. I give an example of my PC1. And when the user type facebook.com, they log in. So initially it will be a TCP three-way handshake. After that, it will show web browsing and firewall logs. Then it will ship to SSL. After that, it will go to Facebook base. And then it will show you which application you are using, the actual application. In this case, I'm using Facebook chat. And finally, it will show you that the application is Facebook chat. And then they will check against the security policy. If it is allowed, then it will allow you. Otherwise, it will drop the packet. So this is all about the application shift in Palo Alto Firewall. To summarize, network traffic can change from one application to another application during the session, which I told you. So when browser session is started, it may be identified as a web browsing. Then it will go to SSL. Once the application ID get further idea on the pattern and volume of the data being transmitted, because it requires some data to analyze them to identify the application. Then further classify the application such as Facebook chat, Facebook base, Facebook application, whatever you are using related to Facebook. This is just one example. It can be a Google, then we have a Google Doc, we have a Google Drive, we have Google, many things related to Google. So the same thing can be happen with any application. This was just an example of Facebook. That's it. This was application shift.